my nephew failed English. And I'm the one who was teaching him English. But now he's complaining that he failed English. This boy is dumb, man. Dumb. Translucently, I'm brother of Nyao from Uzalo. And Nyao did help him to learn English. But today he failed English. We are very, very disappointed. Very, very disappointed. Unequivocally, how can this boy fail in English as he has uncles who are English? We are very, 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 very disappointed. Translucently, me and Nyao, we are graduate and masters of English, but he failed. No, I'm very disappointed. Very, very disappointed by this boy. Very disappointed. How come? Precisely, you see, Flossie,